In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your uploads in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or simply love designing, keeping your uploads neat and tidy in Canva can streamline your design process and make your creative workflow more efficient. Let's start by heading over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, you'll see the login button right there in the upper right corner of the page. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook profile, or simply by entering your email and password. If you're new to Canva, you might want to consider signing up so you can start enjoying all its fantastic design features. Once you're logged in, you have two options: create a new design from scratch, or navigate to a design you're currently working on. This is handy because you might want to organize your uploads for an ongoing project, or start fresh with new materials. Either way, make sure the design you want to work on is open. Next, head over to the project section. Here, you're going to look for the More icon, which is typically represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this will show you the option to create a new folder. This is a key step because folders are the backbone of an organized digital workspace. After that, navigate to the Folders tab and click on the plus icon, which allows you to create a new folder. You can name this folder according to the category of uploads you plan to store in it, such as client logos or social media graphics. This custom labeling will make it easy to find exactly what you need later on. Did you know you can upload files directly into these folders? Once you've created your folder, select it and you'll be able to upload images and other files directly into it, keeping your general uploads folder clutter-free. Now, to move any existing items into your new folders, go back to your uploads area, click the More icon on the item you wish to move, select Move to Folder, and choose your desired folder. For times when you have a bunch of items to move at once, simply tap and hold to select multiple items, then tap the folder icon that appears at the bottom. This opens up your folder options, letting you choose where to move all those selected files. For those of you using Canva free, each folder you create can hold up to 200 items, which is quite a bit. However, if you're using Canva Pro, Canva Teams, Canva for Education, or Canva for Nonprofits, each folder can store up to 5,000 items. This massive capacity can be a real game changer for professionals managing extensive libraries of assets. And that's it. You've now got the foundations to organize your uploads efficiently in Canva. Hopefully this helps you maintain a cleaner, more accessible design space. Happy designing!